Welcome to Study Loop.
So now we'll work on problem 62 from chapter 1. In this problem, we're told that the concentration of carbon monoxide in an urban apartment is 48 micrograms per meter cubed. And they ask us what mass of carbon monoxide in grams is present in a room measuring 10.6 by 14.8 by 20.5 feet. So first, we can calculate the volume of the room by multiplying all the dimensions together. So we get 10.6 feet times 14.8 feet times 20.5 feet. And we cube these values and we get 3,220 feet cubed. When we do not cube the values, we multiply them together. And then we can convert this here from feet cubed to meters cubed. So we have 3,220 feet cubed. We multiply by 12 inches cubed. (1 feet cubed). Then we multiply by 2.54 centimeters cubed. Then we divide by 100 centimeters cubed to convert to meters cubed. All of our units cancel out and we get meters cubed, and the value is 91.2 meters cubed. From there, we simply need to multiply by concentration, which is 48 micrograms per meter cubed. And we multiply by 91.2 meters cubed. These units here cancel, and the value that we get is 4,400 micrograms.